Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a bead with me video with some of the stuff that I had got in the BeeBeeCraft haul, and there will be a giveaway at the end. And just to kind of tease you a little bit, this is what we are making today. We are making this right here, and that of course has a set of earrings, and then we are also making this set right here, and that of course has a set of earrings as well. And then we are making this one with these earrings right here, and they're basically all the same style, just with different earrings. And then there will be a added bonus of this bag right here with some makeup goodies. So if you'd like to see how I made these, just keep on watching. Alright, so if you are interested in getting some items to make some jewelry, I will have the link below to BeeBeeCraft so you can get some of these beads and items yourself so you can make your own creations. But if you would like to enter into a chance to win what I created, let me go ahead and show you what is going to be in this giveaway. So you will have this set right here, this set right here, and this set right here. And there will also be this lovely bag here with the items inside. Let me show you that. There is the Jules Smith Beauty Namaste All Day Lip. I don't remember what this is. I don't know if it's a gloss or liquid lip, but that is the color. And then there is this eye pen from Smith & Colt in shade Still Pilot. I think it's a black. I'm not really sure. Let's see. Yeah, it's a black. Then there is this eyeshadow color called Smoke Topaz. This is from Mali. I'm not sure if that's pronounced right. That is the eyeshadow. And then there is this Oprah blush in Blush Rose. And there is this right here. This is from Flesh. This is, what is this exactly? This is Flesh to Flesh Highlighting Powder. And this is the package. And see if I can show you the color here. And there is the color. So it is a very bright highlight color. So those are all the items that will be in the giveaway. Now if you'd like to enter, it's the same as all my other giveaways. Let me know your favorite necklace set below, as well as the first part of your email address. Make sure that you are following me on my social media, subscribe to this channel, follow the link below, and make sure you enter from the link because that is how I'm going to select. And you know, again, my giveaways are generally intended for my loyal subscribers as a way to give back, but new people are welcome. But know that I am looking for a comment here and for continued support in order to be selected and confirmed. And that is it. Again, make sure you read over the details for the giveaway below in the description. Otherwise, that is it of this video. And yeah, that's it. I hope to see you in my next video.